Today we're going to go over the assembly of the Laerdal Simman ALS. Once you remove the mannequin from the two transport cases, one for the legs, one for the upper torso, you want to lay on a flat surface for assembly. At that point, you want to remove the retaining nut from the left and right leg. Open up the chest skin. There's a zipper on the lower left and upper left. Pull the skin over. Hit the abdominal pad, move it to the right or left. At that point, you want to move the leg up closer to the torso and then feed the wire and the hose through the pelvis. At that point, reach through, guide the wires through, and then push the bolt through the hip area. It's very important that when you do come through, that this white retaining washer is actually in place. If not, resecure it in place, but it's imperative that washer is making contact with the hip area. At that point, we want to put the nut on, slide it through the wire and the hose, and then while applying traction, turn it clockwise. You only want to secure it until you feel a snug fitting. You don't want to be over tightened because then the leg will not move. At that point, we want to plug in the hose to the upper right area here of the torso. Turn it clockwise a quarter turn until you feel a snap. Will lock into place. The right leg wire will also snap into place with the release clip here facing up towards the head. You want to put that in place. And then it'll snap into place as well. Now the right leg is assembled. Same procedure with the left leg minus the wire and the hose. So we're going to guide the bolt through the leg or the hip area. And then we're going to attach this with making sure that the washer is in place with putting traction while you're turning clockwise, just until it's snug. At that point, we're going to put the abdominal pad back over in place, bring the skin back over, putting the tab into the pelvis area, and then zipping up the left side and the right side, left lower and then left upper.